Guys, we've got a real treat for you. This is our premium cold glue slide hammer kit. I nicknamed this the Infinity Slide Hammer because I think mathematically there's like 72 different possibilities that you could use with this and have it all in one neat, compact, custom foam insert that'll slide into your luggage or your Milwaukee pack out like a lot of guys are using, or any one of those devices. It also fits snugly right into our CamAuto carts if you're thinking about that. Now, first up, we can use a tab saver, so when you pull, your tabs don't go flying off and you have to chase them or lose them. Or it works specifically with our cold glue, and you tighten that down and you have a solid cold glue. We have a non-pass-through head. This is our slide with our weight options inside with a lightweight or a heavier weight, a long, medium, and short throw, depending on whatever you want to do. This is our stop nut that goes on the end if you wanted to use it individually. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you several different combinations. Not all 72, but several different ones. And if you wanted to add it, one of these or both of these to get that kind of a tug instead of that certain hard pop, that'll work too. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you multiple uses for this. All right, I'm going to start with our stop nut on the end. Now you have a normal slide hammer, non-pass-through head. You have a cold glue slide hammer option with a tab saver. I think it's a so now you have more of that tug and just a little softer. Now here's a real treat. If you want, you can use either one of these weights, no problem. But let's take you just a little bit further. When you're ready to go back on the road or put it in your pack out just to clean up because, well, let's face it, every now and again between jobs, it gets pretty doggone messy that we don't need to mess with, right? Look at that. All back in order. Perfect for traveling, perfect for not sliding and jostling around, and you don't have to take 47 different slide hammers with you. Our premium cold glue slide hammer kit. While you're there, check out our cold glue tab kit options available on our website.